Yeah, hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject robotics machines and vision systems. So unit number 2. So last class we discussed about what is interfactor. Those this is define the application of what we are going to do. Okay, using robots, what we are going to do, like that it is defines. That is defined by the interfactor. There are two types of interfactors available. One is grippers, another one is tools. So grippers used for pick and place the materials as well as move the material from one place to another place. There are more number of different type of grippers available, as well as tools. We have different kind of tools. So that is for paint removing, for painting, for welding purpose, for welding removing, for something with joint like that. We can use the tools for the particular application. Okay, these are the two end effectors. So last class we discussed about what is mechanical gripper. Okay, so that is there are the mechanical grippers are used with the pneumatic, hydraulic, then movement of links like that. We are using the mechanical grippers. We have a different mechanical grippers available. So now we are going to see about the internal gripper and external gripper. Why it is need? So for most of the objects, we need to define with the contact with the external. Okay, if you are pick here some hard material means we need to use the outer surface. That is external. Using external gripper, we can get the objects. For some of the internal, there is no. If there is any gap between the two material means we can use the internal gripper like this. Okay, here we have internal gripper. Using internal gripper, we can get the object. So like pipes, so external pipes like that we can this. So in this gripper, the finger pads are mounted on the outside of the fingers. So this mounting allows the pads to fit into the inside diameter of the pot. So that is the must lift. The pads are pressed against the inside walls of the pot. The frictional force developed allows the fingers to hold the pot securely when the gripper lifts the pot. The contact may be either two-point contact or cap captivation or flexible grip with the polyurethane pads for getting the hard values. Okay, this is the internal gripper. Okay, so maximum used for pick and place the high weighted pipes like that they are using. So as well as external gripper, this is grip with the external surface. Okay, so this type of grippers is designed to the finger pads press against the outside of the component, grips the exterior surface of the object with closed finger. The pads develop the frictional force required to lift the pot. The pads are maximum polyurethane bonded to steel. These grippers are generally of 4-point contact V block types. So external grippers are like this. That is having V type of concept. Okay, these are the another type of external grippers. So most of the grippers like this only. Okay. So last time we discussed with the different example. We have yeah, this is the example for one external gripper. So let's see the video. So this is also example for a magnetic gripper, but it is a contact with the external gripper. So we can call as the external concept because it is All the fingers will be attached with the external surface of the material or object. Okay, so these are the two types of grippers used in this type. Okay, so same as mechanical grippers with the three fingers. So three fingers grippers contains a simulate action of thumb, index finger, and third finger. The increase of number of fingers and degrees of freedom will greatly aid the versatility of the grippers. The main reason for using the three finger gripper is it is capability of grasping the object in three spots, enabling both the trigger grip and the holding of spherical objects of different size, keeping the center of the object at the specified position. So this is a mechanical gripper with the two fingers. So this is the most popular mechanical gripper for industrial robot. It can be a designed for limited shapes of an object, especially cylindrical and workspace. If actuators that produce linear movement are used, so like pneumatic piston cylinders, the device contains a pair of slider crank mechanism. So in the slider crank mechanism, the piston one is pushed by the pneumatic pressure to the right. The elements in the crank 2 and 3 rotate counterclockwise with the fulcrum F1 and clockwise with the fulcrum F2. So these rotations make the grasping actions at the extended end of the crank, elements 2 and 3. So the releasing action can be obtained by moving the pistons to the left, an angle and ranging from 160 to 170 is commonly used. So this is an example. Okay, using a single gripper, we are using the multiple operations. Okay, if you are using a single gripper for this purpose, for pick and place, we will take the 2 more minutes. But here, at the same time, it will release the object and pick the another, put the another material to the correct position. So it will reduce the one half of the process. So next we will see the magnetic grippers. This is the another type of gripper which is used with the magnetic concept. We know that there are two type of magnets. That is permanent magnet. Another one is electromagnet. So these two magnet we can contact with the particular material. That is magnetic material only. We can follow that. That is ion. So like that. We can place. It is a very useful concept for the we can place the iron objects. Okay, so this is the main general purpose of grippers used in the robot end effector for pick and place the robot and pick and place the object as well as the different object handling of the objects.